So before we go further to the pitching side, first of all, we want to say great thanks to our partners who are joining us and Startup Green, Go Global. Thank you everyone who actually is who's helping us to do this event. And also, of course, we want to say big thanks LinkedIn Local in India, and of course to our partner in Peru as well. Definitely we will have a lot to discuss a bit later. But also, as I mentioned, for our judges, we want to say, first of all, thank you. We are so grateful that you are actually joining us today. And I'm sure you will be definitely pleased after you listen to all the solution which we've gathered for you today. So before we go to the pitching itself, as I mentioned, please welcome our judges team. I'll start from the CEO of the Startup Network, Alexander Soroka. The floor is yours. First of all, tell me, how do you feel, again, exploring startups in Latin America?
Really wonderful, Maria. Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. So our funds usually invest up to 400K, and we are industry agnostics, and we prefer to follow. So if you are a VC and you decided to invest in the startup, please invite us into the round. We will gladly join you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Alexander. And I would like to ask every judge who has joined us today to, again, shortly introduce your VC fund. Which startups are you the most interested in? Which industry, the check size, region, etc. Please, you're welcome. Who would like to speak first? Just unmute yourself and speak out loud.
Morning, Maria. I'll kick it off, and I'll be extremely brief. Henry An here. I wish I was in South America where I am. We got, I think, in equivalent terms of metric, I think 2 meters of snow here. But anyhow, the more exciting thing is Henry An here. I have an advisory firm that I serve as a fractional CFO and COO in the venture space. Also worked with a venture fund focused primarily in fintech, blockchain, consumer, enterprise, and sort of a lot of data-driven companies. Check size around 100,000 or so. Great to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Henry. Who would like to proceed?
Hi, good morning. Francisco Jardine from SP Ventures. I'm a founder here at the company. We manage a little bit over $100 million, very focused on ag and food in Latin America. We invest in seed and Series A, occasionally in Series B. Check sizes between $500,000 to $5 million. So we have a pretty broad range, not only in stage, but also within Latin America in geography, although we've been very active in Brazil and Argentina.
Thank you so much, Francisco. Who would like to proceed?
I am Zohar Lenetsky from San Francisco. I am a co-founder of ANZ Group. We mentor and invest in startups in early stage. Check size anywhere from 30 to 300,000.
Thank you, Zohar. Who would like to be the next? Be active, please.
Hello. Hi, Maria. How are you? Can you hear me? Sorry.
Gabriel, go on, please.
Yeah, sorry. No, just quickly. I'm Gabriel Sanko for the invite, Maria. I have an investment banking, which we raise capital for deep tech and renewable energy, including also blockchain. We have raised tens of millions of dollars, and also now building a vehicle called Urano Capital, which will be a fund to invest in the same technologies with, in the same fields, and hopefully in a global perspective. So great to be here.
Thank you so much. Sergio, you were going
Hello.
to...
Good morning. Thank you for the invitation. My name is Sergio Froat. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil, CEO for the IM Ventures. We support startups from globally to make the soft landing in Brazil. And also we have our own invested companies and startups, mostly on digital events, real estate, and agro. Thank you for the invitation once more.
Thank you, Sergio. Who would like to proceed?
Hello, everyone. I'm Diego from Distrito. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil. We are an innovation platform that connects big corporations and startups. And in the investment part, we do seed rounds and press Series A in the ticket size like $100,000.
Thank you, Diego.
My name is Jerome Serkira. I'm from Brazil as well, São Paulo. I'm in this general partner of 21 ventures. We are investing in agro as well. We are in health and in foods. And we are launching a new fund this year in Brazil with LACTEC, an institute that works with technology in Brazil. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Who would like to be next?
Yes, Maria.
Sorry.
Hello, go ahead.
I'm Pedro. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil. I'm a venture capitalist at CRIA. We are the pioneer at equity crowdfunding operations. So we are agnostics in terms of sectors and tickets. But we look for companies that seek to share their value with their communities. So that seek to impose their value through network effect movements. That's it.
Thank you, Pedro. Aldo, if I'm not mistaken, you were supposed, you were going
Yes.
now. Hi.
Yes, Maria, thank you. My name is Aldo Esperone. I'm part of this community. I participated in many other battles. Pago is mainly focused in really agnostic, but focused in fintech, in startups and early stage. Welcome to all the participants and good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Aldo. Who would like to proceed? Yeah, too. I want every member of our jury to say a few words about the VC fund and the industry they're most interested in, etc.
I can go. My name is Alberto. I'm from RMS Online and Mar Ventures. We look to fintechs in early stage in Brazil.
Thank you. Which check size maybe the region in Brazil?
Okay. First, it's going to be early. We prefer to be a venture builder, but we also do early investments until pre-Series A.
Okay. Thank you, Alberto. Who would like to proceed?
Okay, I am Claudio. I'm from ADM Venture Capital, which is the participation and venture arm of Grupo Rendimento, which is a financial group here in Brazil. I'm speaking from São Paulo. We look for companies in between seed stage and Series A. We're mostly focused on B2B companies and fintechs. Our check is around $200,000 and between $200,000 and $1 million, and we have all our investments are proprietary.
Thank you, Claudio. Who would like to be the next? So I would actually, or maybe I should actually invite you to the floor. Maybe, hi, John, by the way, our partner. How are you today?
Great, thank you, Maria. Great to see everybody. Thank you for inviting me here again. It's 11 p.m. in Japan, and buenos dias, ¿cómo está usted? Muy bien, gracias. Obrigado. So my name is John Kojiro Moriwaka, aka Crazy John. Thank you so much, Anna, Maria, Nina, Julia, and Alex for inviting me every time. You know, I love being participated, Unicorn battles. So I'm visiting professor of 2 universities teaching entrepreneurship, and personally belong to 2 angel groups in Silicon Valley. One is called Harvard Business School Alumni Angels, Northern California, and Life Science Angels, and focusing on investing in medtech and healthcare-related technologies, AI, and thermographies. And I also own the medical device. Our family business is medical business. We sell any kinds of medical devices. So if you have any great medtech technologies, I'd love to talk to you. And also, I'm founder and CEO of Silicon Valley Ventures. It's an advisory firm for helping startups in Silicon Valley to large corporations. Thank you very much. Best luck to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much, John. I can see that Keith has joined us today. Keith, how do you do today?
I'm doing well. Glad to be here. Excited to hear what the startups have in store for us. For those who don't know me, I'm the founder of IPA Equities. We are an industry agnostic and geographically agnostic investment fund investing in innovative and disruptive technologies, blockchain, AI, VR, AR, and so forth. Check sizes are between 2 to 10 million. And we're always looking for things that are layered. So if it's, for instance, blockchain with AI or, fintech with blockchain, things that have multiple components and layers, are what are of most interest to us. So I'm excited to hear what everybody has and hear from the rest of the participants. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much. I can see that Jordan has joined us today. How are you, Jordan?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Buenos dias, South America. ¿Cómo está, amigos? How are you?
How are you?
Excellent.
You get a yellow card, you're late.
I was late on purpose, fashionably late. The Roosters insisted I sleep in. I'm Jordan Wabe, real quick. I'm the managing partner of Silicon Valley Venture Group. Always good to see you, Keith, and all the other fine gentlemen. Zohar, we are yet to talk. We are out of Silicon Valley Group. We invest in early stage companies, technology agnostic. We like companies that improve the human conditions. Our checks are $30,000 to $300,000. We do equity and convertible notes. Our focus is typically on the ability to growth in the United States and what have you. And we help them in their growth trajectory and make introductions to other investors and what have you. If you are pitching today, I wish you all the best, all the luck today. I hope that you do really well. If you ask questions, try to keep your answers short so more of us can answer. And good to see you again, Maria, and best of luck to all of you.
Thank you so much. Likewise, Jordan. Maybe somebody who would like to speak out as well. So I would.
Well, I can. My name is Slava Pidlisny. I'm a managing partner of Network Investments, which is part of Startup Network System. And it's a meeting point for investment bankers and investment professionals to exchange and help each other with deal flow, with startups and projects, so we could go really global. So if someone interested, please get in touch on LinkedIn, and good luck to startups.
Thank you so much. If somebody, don't want to miss anyone, but please let me know and show your face. I can see that some of our judges still have their camera turned off. Who hasn't spoken out, please turn on camera and we will proceed. But meanwhile, definitely, by the way, I would like you also to meet the head of VC House program, Natalie, from our startup network. Natalie, just share a few words about as well VC House program. I think that our participants will be very interested to know more. Just a few words.
Thank you, Maria. I'm glad to see you here today, everybody. And I'd like to introduce you to VC House. This is the invitation-only online community created exclusively for VCs. It's a platform where VC from all over the world can exchange deals which they participate in as active investors. So if your fund is actively investing in, and you have companies either from your portfolio or outside of it that you are looking for co-investment, please join the VC House and don't hesitate to contact me directly. My contact details is in the chat.
Okay.
Thank you, Maria.
Okay, thank you so much. If you would like to speak out, we will. It will be later, but meanwhile, we are moving to one of the most as well exciting parts of our today's pitching event, because very soon my colleague Julia will present all of the most interesting solutions which we find this winter season in Latin America. So please be attentive. Before we also move forward, and I'll say a few words to our judges about how you're going how can you actually vote today. So before our event, you have already received a link, an email with a Zoom link, which please remember which you can use for your voting. So just to start voting, please click on the link which you got via email, then open it. It's a new incognito window in your browser, and you will be redirected to the event page. So you have to scroll the page to the startup section. And after that, you'll see all the logos and marks beneath there. And you will have to put the marks from 1 to 5, depending on the investment potential of this specific startup. So of course, 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest in this case. So you just have to put marks without any confirmation buttons, because sometimes like there were questions. You could change marks before the voting will be closed. Usually you're going to have like 6 minutes for each of the startup. And if you need help accessing your profile at our event page, please let us know in chat. Our support team can help you with that. Thank you so much. This is a few words about the voting. And right now, one of the most exciting parts of our event today in Latin America. Let's begin. Also, very important, remember for our guests that you can also vote and choose which startup you found the most exciting.